We're here today on a working UK nursery going through the process of calibrating a water-powered diluter. There's lots of different diluters on different nurseries, but this particular model is a dosatron, and we have here a clear model which enables you to see the fluid going through the machine. We're using universal blue here, which has a colour dye within it, so you can really see how it works. Now when you initially set them up, it's very simple. You make a stock solution and then you set your diluter to 1 in 100 as it is here, or 1%. But over time, inside the machine the seals can wear, so it's very important that we calibrate it regularly to check that it's working efficiently. So to calibrate the dosatron correctly, it's important to know the conductivity of the water that you use on the nursery. And we do that by checking with a calibrated EC meter. This device measures EC, or electrical conductance, in millisiemens, but this can depend on what your device is set to. EC is checked because it provides a guide to the nutrients which are dissolved in the water. And checking the conductivity of the nursery water, I can see it's 0.5 millisiemens. So now we check the product info sheet to see what the concentration should be at 1% or 1 in 100. This gives a final concentration of 1 gram per litre. So we know from the product info sheet this is 1.3 millisiemens. And checking the final concentration of the feed from the diluter, we can see that the conductivity is 1.8 millisiemens. So to summarise, if we take the 1.8 and take away the 0.5, we're left with 1.3, which means we correctly calibrated our dosatron and it's safe to use.